10 to 5 and we're waiting for our taxi on there. I'm going to show you the Yandex app because we're off.
Happy.
There's the Yandex app, waiting for our taxi. Always use the Yandex app in this part of the world. It'll save you a lot of money on taxis. And we're off to see some canyons and caves and lakes.
Caves I don't know about, but lakes for sure.
Lakes and a canyon.
And some canyons. Moon Canyon, Charyn Canyon. Yeah.
Okay. All nearish to Almaty. About 5:20 here in Almaty and we're on the tour bus ready to set off on our day trip. Sunrise over the mountains. So coming even deeper into Charyn Canyon. It's all very atmospheric, as you can see. Right, so this is the Black Canyon, quite a way outside of Almaty, like a couple of hours drive. And up here you can see there's a swing rig set up that you can pay a little bit of money and swing out over the canyon. I don't think I'll be doing that today. And nobody else is either. Again? That is quite scary, isn't it? You walk out over this. Whoa! It is. Okay, this is our tour bus up to the lake, a little bit bumpy. Not the best road ever. Very bumpy, in fact. Oh my god. Don't need to do a roller coaster today, that's for sure.
I want a roller coaster.
Okay, that is something you don't see every day.